Here, try it.
Why don't you hold him and swing at the same time?
Well, I can't do it that way because I want to do like this. If it's right here, it's too close. You can't see anything. So like hold that on my shoulder. Just put one arm around my waist. Put the other one over my shoulder. So like go like this. So like hold me, and then just hold this like this, and then just turn with me. No. You do it. Maybe don't get fussy. Just try.
You're getting fussy.
It's because you're not listening to me. Just do it the way I'm talking about it. Okay, can you see him? Here, try this. Whee!
Is that you? Say hi.